Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to reset Logitech MX Keys S. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly reset it? So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your MX Keys S here is powered on, or has some power on it. Now if it's off, just switch it on from the power button. Now from then on, you want to go and locate the following keys. So first is going to be the escape key here. Also, you need to look for the O key and the B key here. Now what you need to do is you want to press a number of combination. So first is going to be the escape and then O. Now in this case, the next thing that you want to do is you want to press escape, then B. Now, in this case, you want to press those combinations together at the same time. Now, when you do this, the connection lights here on your keyboard, so in this case here, it will start blinking rapidly, indicating that the reset is currently in progress. Now, from then on, you want to turn the keyboard off, then on again, and pair it with your device as normally or as you would usually do. And in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.